Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the video class. Last class we have discussed exercise 10.1. In that second main represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. In that they are given total 4 questions we solved. But in that first question I said here the area of rectangular plot is 528 meters square. The length of a plot in meters is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length and breadth of the plot. But here first main they said only represent it is in the form of quadratic equation. But I said only if you are it up to this 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. It's the question second main. First exercise 1.10.1. Okay, in that first one up to here you got, if they ask you up to 2 marks means you should leave this much only. But here they said find the length and breadth of the plot. That's why you have to take it's the value 2x minus 528. It is in the form by using factorized method. By using factorization method, you have to solve this. How you are doing? 2 into multiply 528, you will get some number. You have to take here by adding this by multiplying. You will get the length and breadth value. Okay. Next. Solution of a quadratic equations by factorization. In this you have to take exercise 10.2, find the roots. Exercise 10.2, find the roots of the following quadratic equations by factorization. It's also easy by using factorization method. Exercise 10.2, first problem. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. How you are doing factorization method? First you have to consider n numbers, means minus 10. If you are multiplying means I want minus 10. If you are adding or subtracting means I need minus 3. You have to consider here two values. What you are taking? If 2 5s are 5 2s are 10, if you are taking is 2 5s are 10. I need here minus 3, means I will keep for 2 plus sign, for 5 minus sign. I will consider here x square. Instead of minus 3x I will write plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. Neatly take step by step. Here make a group. Okay, what is there in this common? X will be common. Remaining what is there here? X into x square. Here already x outside is there. Remaining plus 2. And again in this common what is there? Minus 5. Remaining minus 5 into x minus 5x. I need here minus. Here outside minus is there. If what a sign if you are writing means you will get minus. I will take here plus. Minus into plus minus 5 2s are 10. See here both will be same. Consider in this common will be x plus 2. Remaining x minus 5. Here you will get two values. X plus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 5 is equal to 0. What about x value? Plus 2 is there means it will be minus 2. X value minus 2 and minus 5 is there means it will be plus 5. You will get two values. X is equal to 5. X is equal to minus 2. Here 5 and minus 2 are the roots of the equations. What is the equation? X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Write down. Therefore 5 and minus 2 are the roots of the equation. What is the equation? X square minus 3x Next, second problem also same. It's also by using factor method you have to do. And I will second one take homework. I will just give I will give 2x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0 is the second one. You have to consider last digits. 2 into minus 6 will be minus 12. If you adding, you will get you want plus 1. If multiplying means I need 12, like that you have to take the numbers and you have to solve. Okay. Next, third one. Second one do yourself. It's easy. And third one. Root 2 x square. See clearly right here root 2. In root inside square what is there? I have to write here root 2 into x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay. See here square root they are given. Root 2 into see here root 2 into 5 into root 2 is there. Okay, 5. Here root 2 into root 2 whole square. Here square root and square cancelled means you will get 5 2s are 10. Okay. Next. I need here plus 10 means which value will take? Means 2 5s are 5 2s are. Why? Because here plus is there. If I am taking 2 5s are 10, 2 plus 5 will be 7. Okay. Same as it is, you have to write root 2 x square. First I will take 2. 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Side you have to take this. It's very important. Next, in this common, make a group. In this common what is there? X is there. And here, see root 2 is there 2. You know already 2 including root 2 into root 2. It's also take, it's also very important. I will write here 2 is equal to root 2 into root 2. If root 2 whole square, you square root and square cancel means you will get 2 is equal to 2. Okay, I am taking here root 2 outside. If root 2 outside taking means you will get here root 2 into x, root 2 x square plus what is there here? Root 2 into root 2 will be 2. X already outside is there. Okay, remaining in this plus 5. Here also same. 5 outside is there means you will get x plus root 2 is equal to 0. In this common see x plus root 2, x plus root 2. I will take outside x plus root 2 and remaining what is there? Root 2 x plus 5. Okay, next x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here x value should be x is equal to minus root 2 one value and another value root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here root 2 x plus 5 will be minus 5x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Here total 2 values. Write down minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2. Therefore, minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2 are the roots of the equation. What is the equation they are given? Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Okay, in this problem first you have to take endpoints. Just you have to see here square root is very important. Here square root into square root. Square root and square cancel means you will get 2. Here 5 2s are 10. You have to take 2 5s are 10. You have to consider here instead of 7 you have to take 2 and 5. You have to solve common method. Okay, next third one. Here third one see. Okay, third one finished. Next fourth one. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Here they are given fraction in constant term. Say third one 2x square, fourth one 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. See here, it is in the form of x square plus bx plus c, but here c term they are given in fraction. First we have to solve this. What we are doing here, say multiply by 8 we have to take. Multiply by 8. Total equation you have to multiply by 8, means 8 into 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. You will get 8 to the 16x square minus 8x. Here see multiplying means 8 cancelled. Otherwise you will have to take 8 into 1 by 8 is equal to 0. 16x square minus 8x. Here 8 will be cancelled. Remaining you will get plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the equation 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next you have to consider the end point. 16 ones are 16. If you are multiplying means I need 16 plus 16. If you are adding or subtracting means I need minus 8. Which number you will take? Here I need plus 16 means you have to take here minus 8. I need means minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus 4 for the 16. Instead of minus 8x I will take minus 4 into minus 4. 16x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next step, okay, common. In this common it will be 4x remaining, 4 for the 16, remaining will be x, and what is there in this 4x already outside is there. You have to write minus 1. Why? Because minus is their sign. 4x into 1 4x. What is there remaining? Here minus 1 I will take. Why? Because minus 4x. Here see I need plus, means minus into minus plus remaining 1 as it is right now. And next in this common 4x minus 1 and remaining also 4x minus 1. Here say 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. It's also same, 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. You will get 4x is equal to plus minus 1 will be plus 1, x is equal to into is there means should be divide 1 by 4, and this also same, 4x is equal to 1, x will be 1 by 4. Here the two roots, x value 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 are the roots of the equation 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8. And next fifth one, 100x square minus 20x plus 1. It's also common method. Just I will give clue. Okay, what they are given, fifth one, 100x square minus 20x plus 1. You have to take the endpoints, means 100 ones are 100. If multiplying means I need 100. If adding or subtracting means I need minus 10, means you have to take 10 into 10. 10 times are 100. I need plus, means here minus means minus 10 in plus minus 10 means you will get minus 20. Let's solve that equation. You will get roots of the equation. I think all of you understood this exercise 10.2 first main. Okay, I gave second one and also fifth homework. You should do in home. And if any doubts or miss, message me. Thank you, Manana.